everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious bistec ranchero. This is one of the very first dishes that my mom taught me how to make. I've been making it ever since I learned how to cook, which is about like 20 years ago. So if you guys don't know how to make it and you want to know how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1.5 pounds of beef chuck that I've already cut into smaller pieces just like this. And I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. Once it's all mixed, we're gonna let it marinate for 30 minutes. I'm gonna set my pan on medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna add in the meat. Move it around until the meat starts browning. Once the meat starts releasing all its juice, I'm gonna add 3 minced garlic cloves and 1/4 of a white onion. We mix it, cover it up, let it cook for about 10 minutes or until all the juice has dried up. It's been 5 minutes and I'm gonna check on the meat. As you can see, there's still a little bit of juice. So we're gonna cover it up for another 5 minutes. So it's been about 8 minutes now and I'm gonna check on the meat again. As you can see, most of the water has dried out and the meat is starting to fry. At this point, I'm gonna be adding 1 jalapeño. We're gonna let it fry for about 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes and our meat has been frying perfectly. Now I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of flour. The purpose of the flour is to make the broth a little thicker. That's the whole purpose of the flour. Mix it well. Now I'm gonna be adding 3 Roma tomatoes. And we're gonna leave them in until the tomatoes are very soft. As you can see, the tomato is now soft and released all its juice. I'm gonna be adding 1.5 cups of boiling water. We're gonna mix it very well. And I'm gonna be adding 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Give it a mix, and this is the perfect time for you to check to see if you need any more salt or chicken bouillon. For me, this is just right. Now's the time to add the potatoes. I cut the potatoes this small, and I'm gonna be adding 2 small potatoes. Make sure they're well covered. I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it up, and cook it for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. It's been 5 minutes and I'm gonna check on the meat. It's looking great. And now it's a good time to add the cilantro. I'm gonna cover it up and cook it for a few more minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our rico bistec ranchero is ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat and look how delicious it looks. And the papas are just perfect. Con unas tortillitas de harina y ya se armó. Okay, I'm serving it with some white rice and some frijolitos. Y ahora sí. It smells so good, guys. And there you have it, delicious bistec ranchero. I like to have my bistec with flour tortillas. Okay. Tortillita de harina. Y a entrarle, porque el hambre está canija. I love the broth. It's like not watery, it's thick. That's why we add the flour, because it makes it just creamy, a little thick, just perfect. Honestly, I can have this for breakfast every single day. Not breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, it's just perfect. If you haven't had it, you should definitely try it. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.